All the students are again welcome in my second class of painting. In this class I draw a rainbow, and for this we have to know first the color of the rainbow in order, which is V-vibgyor in order, that is V I B G Y O R. And now for painting of this rainbow, you dotted the line three, 4, 5. In this case, if it is not possible to draw by your hand, then you can also use the compass here. 6, and finally 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now take a straight line here for visioning the horizon, and give here something like this, which are actually supposed to be grasses, and color will be also green. Now I color it in pastel. So let's start. At first we have to color it in this order: V-vibgyor, V-I-B-G-Y-O-R, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Now for this case, at first you use sky blue color here. After that, at this portion also you use this color. Basically rainbow will appear after the rain due to the reflection here. And in the sky these are not so much clear, but for your own I draw this in easy way and clear up all the images, all the colors here. It is violet. In my previous video I already said that the rule of coloring of an image is that to now indigo here, the process to draw or coloring an image that you have to paint at first the sky and then water, then the land as well, respectively. It is the color like indigo, and now I have to mix it white with it. With it also and try to mix it with the color sky blue as much as possible you can. And now VIV, that is blue, you can also use Prussian blue use. And now it touches just to green, so try previously to do it green, and it gradually mixed with the blue color here, gradually mixed, and then to yellow. So at the upward scenes I use here the light green color, and at the downward I use deep green, whereas at the middle I use medium green, in this order. At the upward I use light green. After that 1 2 3 4, now yellow. I use lemon yellow because lemon yellow is most suitable color to mix with the light green color, and it also mixed the medium yellow with. So at the upward sense I use the medium yellow color here, and this medium yellow again mix with the orange more rapidly, as you see here. This is orange color, and now finally I use red to complete my rainbow style. This is deep yellow to mix the orange with the medium yellow, and now I finally use red color. This is red. This is red, and also do here the color of the upper curve line such that it also mix with the color of the sky here. I use white color to mix it with the color of the sky. It seems that it is pink color, but to mix it, it is the better way to mix rather than one. So a rainbow is done. Now since the rainbow is a part of the sky, so I do it at first, and now you can give here some birds for better visualization of the image. To mix all the color with one another more clearly, I draw my finger on it, you see that all the colors are mixed here. Now for this grass I use medium green and then Prussian blue. This is black. Here I made a mistake, that is the way of coloring of an image is that you have to color from sky, then to land, then to sky, then to water, then to land. Now I start to color the river. It is violet. Now I use sky blue. At this side of grass also I color deep green. This is Prussian blue. I use it as shade on it. Light green on the land. These are actually the spring of the river. It is also I use it brown as shade. You can also use here sap green as color. Now medium green as shade, and it helps to mix the color brown and light green. Now to complete the image I use medium yellow. Finally it is medium yellow. Now my painting is ready. It is the rainbow as colored by polo oil pastel of 25 shades. And in the next class I also describe about the several types of pencil, and about also 2B4 VHB, what are these. So to get the next class also please subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get it at first. Okay, thank you.